Last week, KTexas reported of an outage in internet services in our area. KTexas reporter Roger Mara spoke to business owners about how recent interruptions in their service have affected them.
We've had an outage within the last couple of weeks, and it was actually out for a whole day.
Operating a business today requires the internet now more than ever. And when it doesn't work, talk about major problems.
It came back on around 6 in the evening, so we lost a lot of activity that we needed to be doing during the day.
10 years ago, when Dale Long started in the t-shirt design business, he says you didn't need the internet as much. Now, it's what it takes to keep a shirt on this business's back.
We do a lot of ordering. We order our merchandise. We also track it to see when it comes in or if it's on the way.
Not to mention taking in payments and sending designs to their customers. At Hef's Burgers, missing out on the busy lunch crowd because of down internet services can mean a hit to the cash register.
It went out one day last week. We lost, we're talking $200, $300, maybe $400 in business.
The effect can be more than missing out on a meal. A denied card can be embarrassing to the customer. Internet payment services being down are often embarrassing to the businesses.
It's going through the internet. It's showing, it's just denying it. It's not saying anything else, just deny. And it's an issue.